welcome to Parrot's training videos for the Anafi USA. In this video, we'll talk about the cursor on target feature found with the Anafi USA system. Let's begin.
To achieve the highest level of accuracy when using the cursor on target function, ensure you have imported the proper and appropriate DTED map. For instructions on how to do this, please take a look at our previous training video. Power on your system and open the FreeFlight 6 USA application. Ensure your system has been fully updated and is ready for operation. Then navigate to the heads-up display by pressing the Fly button. When a DTED map is correctly uploaded, we'll find additional information at the top of the heads-up display. In addition to our altitude above takeoff, we now have the ability to see the altitude of the system in mean sea level and above ground level. To activate the cursor on target feature, select the crosshairs in the top right-hand corner. When active, there will be new options available on the HUD, including the crosshairs in the center of the screen, the cursor on target element box, and the cursor on target action buttons. The elements box has been broken into three sections. On the top, we can see the target coordinates of the white crosshairs in the center of the screen. Additionally, to the right side, we can see the accuracy of these coordinates. On the bottom of the elements box, we can find the coordinates in reference to either the aircraft or the Sky Controller USA. To swap these coordinates, simply press the button to the right. We also have the additional ability to see the accuracy of the reference coordinates in relation to the Sky Controller or the aircraft. The center box will show us both the horizontal and vertical distances to the target from either the Sky Controller USA or the aircraft. It will also show us the azimuth of the target in relation to north, and if we have uploaded DTED maps. By pressing on the center box, we can swap the horizontal and vertical distances to the slant distance. The coordinate lock button can be found in the top right hand corner. This will lock the coordinates in place, making it easier for the pilot to copy. To copy either set of coordinates, press and hold on them and they will be copied to your clipboard. When the screenshot function is used on the Sky Controller USA, you'll be able to capture both the coordinates of the Sky Controller USA and the Anafi USA. Additionally, we'll find the date and time of the operation, information of the target in relation to the Sky Controller USA, information of the target in relation to the aircraft, and the coordinates of the target. Now that we have a good understanding of how to use cursor on target, it's time to calibrate the system. To do so, select the calibrate button on the right hand side of the screen. Now we will need to maneuver the aircraft roughly 1,000 feet away from us and 330 feet high. We will then aim the Anafi USA's camera directly at the Sky Controller USA. Then press the record button to lock this in and your calibration will be complete.
You should now have a good understanding of how to use the cursor on target feature. Thank you for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the Anafi USA.